What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys have seen by the title and thumbnail, you'll know what this video is about. And if you've watched our previous video on the CT4-V, it got some new wheels. So of course, we're gonna get some new wheels for the CT4-V. And as you've already seen, look at these wheels we got on the CT4-V. Now these are brand new, literally just put them on yesterday, and just take a look at how, first off, take a look at how nice this paint looks in the sun. This color is just incredible. And now you should just see how many compliments that I get on this car because of the color. In the sun, this car is just crazy. Like, you can see the flakes just sparkling. But anyways, let's get back to the wheels. And as you can see, we have changed up the wheels. They are still gloss black, but the design is so much more open. As you can see, they're like a 10 spoke compared to my other ones, had a few more spokes. But with these wheels, look at those brake calipers and how much easier they are to see, which I just love right off the bat. And also they have this concave look in the middle, like the CT4-V wheels. They go in and it gives it that nice appearance. Also, a thing to note is these wheels are a little bit wider than the stock wheels on the CT4-V. So the stock wheels on the CT4-V they come 19 by 8s. And I wanted a little bit wider, or I wanted to do a spacer. So first off, I said, let me see what I can find with a 19 by maybe an 8.5. So these are 19 by 8.5. So they are a little bit wider of a wheel, but I wanted to test fit them on the car first before I got a spacer. So these are 19 by 8.5 with no spacer. And just looking at the fitment, they are pretty much flush. In the back, like, if anything, maybe a tiny spacer. But as you can see in the front, very nice fitment with the 8.5. So I would recommend going with a 19 by 8.5 if you guys do have a CT4-V. Also, you've watched the CT5-V video. This car, the CT4-V, is also getting lowering springs. So before I do anything with spacers or even worry about that, I want to get the car lowered just to see how everything's going to look. And then we can throw on spacers if needed. But just the side profile looks incredible with these new wheels. And each day I drive the car, I love them more and more. And just the look is very simple, but clean at the same time. So it's very nice. So if you guys were wondering the brand of wheel, it is 720 Form, the same brand that we have on the CT4-V. Just the wheel design is different and the size is different, obviously. But these wheels are very simple and clean. And I just love how you can see that red brake caliper, that Brembo brake, right through the rim. Before, it kind of hid it. Now you can really see that V logo and all the design that went into this car. So very, very happy with the wheels that are on. Also, you can see the black really ties in with the black accents. Like, we have a spoiler on the back, we have the black mirrors, and obviously the window tint. But it goes very well. It was kind of like the safe bet. I also wanted to put bronze wheels on this car, but I am happy that I went with the black instead, because it's a very clean look and you can't go wrong. So I forgot to mention the offset. The offset is the same as the stock wheels, which is plus 35. So the full spec of these are 19 by 8.5 with a plus 35. And that's the exact wheel that I have on. I'm glad I went wider because the fitment already looks a lot better. Once it gets lowered, it's gonna look even better. So like we've been saying, guys, stay tuned for that lowering springs video, because we are getting the car lowered and it will drop about an inch. So stay tuned for that video. And this wheel gap, I can't wait until it's gone. They will be going on pretty soon. So like I said, stay tuned for that video. And I'm just loving the look of this car even more. It just looks incredible now. And I'm very happy with the choice. Let's just take another glance at those wheels. The reason I'm only showing this side is because it's in the sun and you can really see that nice gloss black coming off the wheels. And it's just looks incredible with that nice big brake caliper as well. That will wrap up the video though, guys. Let me know if you guys like the wheel choice, if you would have done the same thing or would have gone a different way. Also, if you have a CT4-V, what wheel setup are you running? Another thing to mention is these are the stock tire size, so it's 235 19s. So these are the stock size. I don't know if anyone else is running a bigger setup, but again, this is an all-wheel drive car, so just kept it all square. But also, let me know if you guys are kind of agreeing with me on the black on black theme and how it goes with this beautiful color. But yeah, let me know down below. If you guys did like the video, drop a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.